Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Having trouble transferring files using iTunes? Well, you should know there's actually a faster and more convenient alternative tool to move files between devices. In this video, I will show you how to transfer photos or videos from your iPhone to your computer, even if you don't have iTunes installed. Let's go. Usually, you have to go through several steps just to transfer photos or videos from your iPhone to a computer or an external device. Sure, you can use iCloud or iTunes, but let me tell you about an alternative tool that lets you manage your files right from your computer. Apple does not make it easy to natively transfer files between Windows PC and iPhone. The process I show is much faster, and you don't even need an internet connection. If you'd like to test it out, you can use my link below to download the tool and get free file transfers on your first try. After installing the software on your computer, connect your iPhone using an original or MFI certified cable. Once connected, click on the Photos menu in the Quick Access area to see all the photos and videos saved on your phone. As you can see, the software also mirrors your iPhone's photo library and folder structure, letting you effortlessly navigate through albums, library, media types, and more. For even more convenience, you can filter the photos and videos by days, months, years, or a custom date range, just in case you don't want to transfer everything. In the Settings tab, you can choose the format you want for your photos, live photos, or videos before you transfer them. Just pick from the drop-down menus for each file type, and click OK to save your changes. But if you'd rather keep your files in their original format, you can just leave these settings as they are. Now let's select the photos or videos you want to transfer. You can click on each file individually to select it, or hit the checkbox at the bottom for a bulk selection. Finally, click the Export button to save the photos and videos to the location you chose. Be sure to connect your external storage device if you want to save pictures or videos directly to your USB drive. Or you can pick an existing folder on your computer's internal drive if you want a copy on your PC. Remember, you can transfer a certain number of files for free, but to export all of them, you'll need to subscribe to one of the software's premium plans. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.